everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an exfoliating scrub for your face. I like to use this about once a week.
For this DIY, you will need honey, white sugar, brown sugar, or turbinado sugar. I'm using a tablespoon of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix that together and your scrub is ready to go. After washing your face, apply the scrub onto your skin. Then rinse it off. After using this scrub, I like to moisturize with 100% aloe vera gel. If you don't use all of your scrub, put the lid on your container and store it in the refrigerator where it will keep for a week.
I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I post one video every Sunday afternoon. I will see you guys next week. Bye!